Presenting HP All-in-One PC, which comes with Windows 10 Home operating system and weighs 5.85 kilograms. This PC comes with 2.6 GHz AMD Ryzen 3 3250U second generation processor. The 8 GB of DDR4 RAM with AMD Radeon graphics card gives you a lag-free experience. The 1TB hard drive with 5400 RPM and 256 GB of SSD lets you store all your pictures, music and videos worry-free. This HP PC has 23.8-inch screen with 2 million pixels, 1920 by 1080 resolution Full HD display. The dual 2-watt speakers lets you to enjoy your music in its all glory. This all-in-one PC also has webcam with microphone and built-in Alexa. The PC has 2 USB 2.0 ports, 2 USB 3.0 ports, 1 HDMI port and 1 audio out port for easy connectivity. Inside the box you will find the all-in-one PC, mouse, keyboard and manuals. This PC comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.